Good morning children. I hope class 6 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well, as we have been doing whole numbers. Already we have started, and in last video we had seen properties of multiplication of whole numbers. I hope you must have done all the things, and last day it was not told, but again I am telling you all the properties with example that must be written in your notebook. And it was told to start exercise 3D. You must have done also. Those who have done, be with your copy so that you can recheck again have you done correctly or not, and those who have not done, let's start doing together exercise 3D. This is very simple, so only today 1 to 7 question number we will take. Here you have exercise 3D. First question, you have fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. 246 into 1, if you remember, if any number is multiplied by 1, so what you get? The number does not change, you will get the same number 246. Here you see, you had multiplicative property of 1 for any whole number. We have a into 1 is equal to 1 into a. If you are multiplying any number by 1, the number will not change, number will be same. So 8 into 1 is equal to 1 into 8, and that will be equal to 8. So 246 into 1 will be 246. 1369 into 0 means 1369 into 0. Again, you multiplicative property of 0, you see. If you are multiplying any number by 0, product you will get 0. So you can go through properly all the properties so that you will understand better way, and with example you need to write also. Any number of suppose whole number you have and you are multiplying by 0, you will get result 0, product will be 0. 593 into 188 will be 188 into 593. If you remember, that is called commutative property of multiplication of whole number. Or commutative law. So this is required to be remembered. So 593 into 188 will be 188 into 593. If two whole numbers you have a and b, so it can be written as a into b is equal to b into a. Next you see 286 into 753 will be equal to 753 into 286. Since commutative property of multiplication we have a into b is equal to b into a, where a and b are whole numbers. So in the same way this has been done. Next you have 38 into 91 into 37 is in whole is equal to, here what number you will write, so that this will be an associative law of multiplication or associative property of multiplication of whole number you will get. So here you see 38 and 37 has been written together, so here your number will be 91. So what is associative law? If a, b, c are whole numbers, then a into b whole into c will be a into b into c in whole. So in this way this can be written. Next you see 13 into 100 into, here you see 13 into 100, if you are multiplying 2 zeros you will get 1300. So here what number should be written so that more 3 zeros you will get. So here your number will be 1000. So that if you are multiplying, total zeros will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 zeros are there. Next you have 59 into 66 plus 59 into 34. Here you have common 59. So this distributive law over addition of whole number, it is 59 common you take, and into you will be left with 66 plus 34. So distributive law over addition of whole number, it is What that is? A into B plus C will be equal to A into B plus A into C. Next you see 68 into 95 will be equal to 68 into 100 minus 68. So, and into, here you see, if 68 into 95 we have written, so 68 into 100 minus 68 into what number we will write. So first you try to understand how it is to be done. So distributive law over subtraction is required to be applied. 68 into 95 can be written as 68 into 100 minus 5. This can be written as 68 into 100 minus 5. This 95 we have written. So which law will be applied? Distributive law over subtraction. So here you see 68 into 100, minus sign you have, minus 68 into 5. So here your number will be 5. This will be your answer. Next question you see, state the property used in each of the following statements. So property already has been explained last day, so you need to remember, and even it has been told that you need to write all the property with example, and you need to remember also 19 into 17 is equal to 17 into 19. That is commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication. This is required to be written. Then you have next 16 into 32 is a whole number, that is very first property, and that is closure property. Closure property of multiplication. In proper way in notebook, that is required to be written. Next you have 29 into 36 in whole into 18 is equal to 29 into 36 into 18. So this is associative law. Associative law of multiplication. Then you have 1480 into 1 is equal to 1480. This is multiplicative property of 1. If any number is multiplied by 1, suppose a whole number a you have and 1 you are multiplying, this will be 1 into a, and that is equal to a. Number does not change. 1480 into 1 will be equal to 1480. Next you see 1732 into 0 is equal to 0. So this is multiplicative property of 0. That is required to be remembered. If any whole number you have a into 0 is equal to 0 into a, and that is equal to 0. So if any number is multiplied by 0, a whole number is multiplied by 0, then product you will get 0, and that law is called multiplicative property of 0. Next you have 72 into 98 plus 72 into 2 is equal to 72 into 98 plus 2. This is distributive law of multiplication over addition you have. So this is required to be remembered. If in between plus sign will be there, then multiplication, this distributive law of multiplication over addition it will be. If minus sign will be there, that will be subtraction. So your law is what? A into B into C is equal to A into B plus, yes, plus sign will be there, plus A into C. This is the distributive law of multiplication over addition. And then you have at last 63 into 126 minus 63 into 26 will be equal to 63 into 126 minus 26. So this will be distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. So here you have minus sign, so this has been written distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Next you have find value of each of the following using various properties. This value is required to be found out by using various properties. 647 into 13 plus 647 into 7. So what can be done? Here you see common, you have 647. So this you see 647 common you have, so it can be written as 647 and 13 plus sign you have plus 7. This is what? Distributive law of multiplication over addition. 647 common you have, 647 we have taken, and you are left with here in this term you have 13 and this term you have 7, in between plus sign we have. So this can be written as 647 into 20, and just you need to multiply this. 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9, 2 6 ja 12, and this will be 0. So this will be your answer, 12,940. Next you have 4 into 927. Sorry, here you have this one. Find the value of each of the following using various properties. First one we have solved. Second you see 8759 into 94 plus 8759 into 6. So how it is to be solved? Here you see you have 8759, this is common in both, so common can be taken out, and here you are left with 94 plus sign you have plus 6. So this will be 8759 into 94 plus 6 is equal to 100, and that you will get 875900, and this will be your answer. So in this way this is required to be solved. Then you have 7459 into 999 plus 7459. So how it is to be solved? This you see common you have 7459 into 999 into 7459, common you have this. So if we will take out common 7459, here in this term you are left with 999, and here nothing you have, but here 1 is there, because this you have taken out, you are left with 1. Since if you are multiplying this, the same number you should get. 7459 into 999. If you will multiply this term you will get. If you will multiply 7459 into 1, this term you will get. If you would write 0 over here you will get 0 if you are multiplying with 0, and that's why 1 is required to be written. Now 7459 into 1000 it will be, and you will get 7459 and 000, and this will be your answer. Next you see 9870 into 5601 minus 9870 into 461. Again the same thing is required to be done. You have common 9870, so this is common, and you are left with 561 minus 461. So this will be 9870 into 100, and your answer will be 9870 into 100 will be 00 will be added on this, and this will be your answer. Next you see 569 into 17, 569 into 13 plus 569 into 70. How it is to be done? The same thing is required to be done. Common you need to find out. Here you see, if we will take common 569, you will be left with 17 plus 13 plus 70. So what you will get? 569. 17 plus 13 will be 30 plus 70 is equal to 100. And this will be 569 and 00. This will be your answer. Then you have this one, the same rule will be applied over here also. You see, you have common 16,825. So if you are taking out common 16,825, you will be left with 16,825 minus 6,825, and you will get 16,825 into, if you are subtracting this, you will get 16,825 you have, and from there you need to subtract 6,825, so you will be left with 10,000. And if you are multiplying this, you will get 4 zeros on it, and this will be your answer. Next we have determine each of the following products by suitable rearrangement. So we need to rearrange this first, and then we need to find out the product. So first you have first question, you have 2 into 1658 into 50. So what can be done? Here you see 2, it can be written as 2 into 50 into 1658, so that you will get 100 into 1658, and this will be 165800, and this will be your answer. So in this way, this is required to be rearranged first, so that you will get answer. Otherwise by this way also you will get answer, but you need to multiply 3 times, 2 into 1658, then with 50, and then you will get answer. So it will be easier if you are rearranging this. Next you have this, you see, four into 927 into 25 you have. It can be written as 4 into 25 into 927. So you will get 100 plus into 927. So 927 and 00, and this will be your answer. Next you have 625 into 20 into 8 into 5. So here you see, (625) into 20 into 8 into 5. So if we are multiplying 625 into 8 to the 16 and 16 5 the 80, or it can be done 20 into 5, 625 into 8 into 20 into 5. Now this is needed to be multiplied, and this you will get 100. So here you see 8 5 ja 40, 4 you have, 8 2 ja 16 and 4 20, 2 you have, 8 6 ja 48 and 2 50 into 100, and this will be 5000, and this 20 will be added, and this will be your answer. Next you see, you have next question. (574) into 625 into 16. So this is required to be multiplied together. You see, if we are multiplying 574 into, this is required to be multiplied, 625 into 16 will be, or it can be done, this also can be factorized, or just you rearrange and you multiply 625 into 16, 16 5 ja 80, 16 2 ja 32 and 8 will be 40, 4 you will have, and 16 6 ja 96 and 4 100. So this will be 1 2 3 4. So finally you will get 574, 1 2 3 4 zeros are there, and this will be your answer. Next you see, you have this one, 250 into 60 into 50 into 8. So I hope you must have understood how it to be done. You will be able to do. Here you see, this will be multiplied 250 into 8, it means 210, and this will be into 6 5 ja 30 and 2 zeros you will be having. Now you multiply 3 2 ja 6 and 3 zeros you will be having, 6 zeros together, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this will be your answer. So in this way this is required to be done. Here you see, either if you are grouping this one or even this one, you just group this and multiply and you will get the answer. Next you see, find each of the following products using distributive law. So when we apply distributive law, as if you remember, if two whole numbers are there, three whole numbers are there, A, B and C, so it can be written as A suppose you have A into B plus C, it can be written as A into B and plus A into C. So the same law is required to be applied and this is required to be solved. Here you see you have 740 into 105 you have. So it can be written as 740 into 100 plus 5, and when you will apply distributive law you will get 740 into 100 and plus 740 into 5. So this will be 740 and 2 zeros plus this is required to be multiplied 500, 5 4 ja 20, 5 7 is 35 and 2 37. This is required to be added, 2 zeros, then you have 7, then this will be 7 and this will be 7 and this will be your answer. Next you see this one. The same thing is required to be applied over here also. 245 into, it can be written as 1000 plus 8, and then you multiply 245 into 1000 plus 245 into 8. And then you see this will be 245 000 you will be having, and then you multiply this 8 5 ja 40, 8 4 ja 32 and 4 36, 8 2 ja 16 and 3 19. This you add 960, then you will get 6 4 and 2 and this will be your answer. Then you have, these are the numbers I hope you will be able to do. Just I am giving you hint. This question number 3 can be written as 947 into 100 minus 4. 947 into 100 minus 947 into 4. This is required to be done and you will get the answer. Next you see 996, it can be written as 367 into, this 996 can be written as 1000 minus 4. So 367 into 1000 minus 367 into 4. You do that, you will get the answer. Here in this question you see this can be written as 472 into 1000 plus 97. This is the one way you can do, 472 into 1000 plus 472 into 97, or you can do 472 into, here you see 1097 you have, it can be written as 1100 minus 3. In this way also it can be done. So whichever you feel easy to multiply you can use. Then you have 580 into 64, again 580 into 100 minus 26, so that you will get 64. So in that way you do that. And here again 1000 minus 3 it will be, 200 minus 2 it will be, and you do that. Next question you have, find each of the following products using distributive law. Here again this is so easy question, so you will be able to do. This will be 3576 into 10 minus 1, 3576 into 10 minus 3576 you do and find out answer. Here it will be 847 into 100 minus 1, 847 into 100 minus 847 into 1, and then you find out. Here 2437 into 1000 minus 1. Again 2437 into 1000 minus 2437 into 1. You do that and find the answer. Next you have find the products. These simple multiplications are there. I hope you will be able to do. Then also one question at least you see, and rest of the question you will try to do by yourself. Just you take this question. Simple multiplication is there. I hope from the very beginning you have learnt and you have been doing multiplication. You will know. Suppose you have 4617 into 234. So 4 7 ja 28, 2 you have, 4 1 ja 4 and 2 6, 4 6 ja 24, 4 you have, 2 is left, and 4 4 ja 16 and 2 18, 3 7 ja 21, 2 you have, 3 1 ja 3 and 2 5, 3 6 ja 18, 8 you have, 1 is left, and 3 4 ja 12 and 1 13, 2 7 ja 14, 4 you have, 1 is left, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3, 2 6 ja 12, 1 you have left, 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9. Now it is required to be added. You add this 8, 7, 4 4 8 and 5 13, 1 you have, 8 8 16, 16 and 3 19 and 1 20, 2 you have, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 3 6, 6 and 2 8, and this is 10, and this is your answer. So in the same way this is required. The other questions are required to be solved. Just you need to multiply these numbers and you will get the answer, and you need to try this yourself. You try. Suppose next question you have, find the product of the largest 3-digit number and the largest 5-digit number. Largest 3-digit number you have 999, largest 5-digit number you have 99,999. Just you try how it to be done and try to solve. So I hope you must try, and up to 15 you try to complete. Otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.